Hello, boys and girls. So today we're going to learn how to do a little bit of a networking change on your VM. So without further ado, let's switch to that and see how it goes. So our tool of choice is Nmtui, and we're talking about the Red Hat or Centos solutions specifically. But I think you can install an M2E here and there. Depends on if you have network manager or not. But this is the simplest way to do it. Although you can modify some of the files, but this one is much easier, although a little bit clumsy. So you type nm2e, you go into the menu, you select the network interface that you want to modify. And here I have the IP address /16. This is just how the subnet works on my VMs, but depends on what you have. It might be /8 or something like this. Is completely fine. So it's going to be an NFS machine. So we will open our Active Directory over here. No, that's not what we need. Right. And Active Directory says that NFS is 212. So 212 it is. Oh, that's it. That's the whole idea. No need to modify files, verify or anything like this. You just go and do your thing, right? Now go back and also you can set the system host name. And this is exactly what we need. So the host name is NFS. And this is about it. Click on OK, select quit. And now you can either restart networking or reboot your machine. I prefer to reboot because you can trust whatever you're doing, but reboot would show that everything comes up normally after you actually reset the machine, and you're going to reset the machine quite a few times before it's ready for production, right? So good idea always. So see you in the next one.